Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi problems on this device. Simply go to settings and tap on the option connections. Then tap on the option Wi-Fi. Here you can see Wi-Fi is enabled and it is also connected to one device. If you are facing any Wi-Fi problems, first of all, we need to disable the Wi-Fi and again turn on. Okay. Just wait for a few seconds. Here you can see it is already auto connected. If you are facing any problem, Wi-Fi problem, first of all we need to forget from the connected Wi-Fi. Tap on the settings icon. At the bottom you can see the option forget. Just tap on this one. Now you can see that paired or connected Wi-Fi is forgot from this device. Now again reconnect. Enter the password. Tap on connect. It is connected, and better to restart your phone. Okay, if your device Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting or show no internet, it will if you do this one, it will fix this problems. Okay, so simply in this way we can fix the Wi-Fi problems on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.